Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix Facebook login error. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To fix your Facebook login error on your Android device, it's quite simple. There might be several reasons why you're not being able to log into your Facebook app. So in that case, the first thing you'll need to check if you are connected to a strong internet. Enable your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and make sure you get the stable internet as possible. Once you have a stable internet connection, go and tap open Facebook application. Go ahead and type in your phone number or your email address associated with your Facebook account and make sure to type in your information correct. Now, head over to the password field and type in your password for your Facebook account. If you type in an incorrect login information, you won't be able to log into your Facebook account. Make sure you type in the correct information and tap on the login button in blue in order to see if that fixes the issue. If you're having trouble remembering your password, tap on Forgot Password link beneath the login button and follow the instructions which will guide you through how to reset to a new password. Once you have your login information correct, you can easily log into your Facebook account. If you're still not being able to do so, then your problem might be app related. Your Facebook application might not be temporarily working, so in that case, go and tap open a web browser available on your mobile device. You can open up any web browser of your choice and go to the search box at the top and type in www.facebook.com and search. Try logging into your Facebook account with the help of a web browser and you might be able to solve your problem temporarily. Until the problem is fixed with your application, you can keep using Facebook with your web browser. After a while, try logging into your Facebook app again and you might be able to solve your issue. If it still does not work, the next thing to do is to check for available updates for a Facebook app. Tap open Play Store and go to the search box at the top. Type in Facebook in the search box and perform your search. If you see an update button popping up right next to the Facebook app, you'll need to update your application right away. Tap Update to download the latest version of Facebook on your mobile device. But if you see an open button, it's already updated, so you won't need to be doing that right now. Once you have the latest version of Facebook app, you can try logging into your Facebook app and your problem might be solved. Those were some of the quick and easy fixes you could try whenever you're not being able to log into your Facebook app and you're going through a login error. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.